Ever head to a party or family gathering determined to stick to your goals, only to end up with a plate piled high, a few too many drinks, and that sinking "why did I do that" feeling afterward? You're not alone. Social events can be one of the toughest places to stay on track with healthy eating. But the good news is, it doesn't have to be all or nothing. Today we're breaking down how to navigate parties, weddings, holidays, and all those tempting events without blowing your progress or missing out on the fun. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have simple, guilt-free strategies to enjoy yourself and stay true to your goals. 10. Social gatherings are magnetic and often nutritional trapdoors. There's something irresistible about parties, weddings, family dinners. The twinkle of lights, the cozy hum of laughter, the clink of forks on plates. Everywhere, tables overflow with steaming platters, creamy dips, sugary delights. It's a feast, not just for your belly, but your eyes and soul. Yet, beneath that charm lies a subtle danger. The more the atmosphere buzzes with joy, the easier it is to pile your plate high, to keep nibbling, to pour another drink. And then you drive home later feeling heavy, guilty, whispering to yourself, "Tomorrow, I'll get back on track." It's a promise that repeats over and over, event after event. But you don't have to be stuck in that cycle. 9. Walk in with quiet, powerful intention. Most people step into these events completely unprepared, hoping their willpower will magically guide them. But intention is your secret weapon. Before you even leave home, pause. Decide gently, "Tonight, I'll enjoy a little of everything but listen when my body says it's had enough." Or maybe, "I'll savor 2 drinks, then switch to sparkling water." This isn't about rigid rules. It's about setting loving boundaries that support your long-term energy and confidence. You arrive at the party already aligned with your values, less likely to be swept away by impulse. 8. Never arrive starving. It's like going to war unarmed. Think back to the last time you skipped lunch before a big dinner party, telling yourself it would save calories. You probably ended up ravenous, grabbing bread, cheese, anything within reach. Hunger dulls your careful intentions, making it almost impossible to think clearly. Instead, have a small balanced snack an hour or 2 before heading out. A boiled egg, some Greek yogurt with nuts, a slice of whole grain toast with avocado. This small act transforms you from vulnerable to prepared, letting you enjoy the evening with calm curiosity instead of desperate cravings. 7. Take a graceful survey before you dive in. The first instinct is to grab a plate and start loading up, driven by eyes bigger than your stomach. Instead, walk the room. Look over all the offerings. This gives your logical mind a chance to decide. I'll start with a colorful salad and some grilled chicken, then see if I still want that creamy pasta later. It turns eating from a knee-jerk habit into a thoughtful choice. By the time you actually fill your plate, your hunger has eased, your excitement has softened, and you're able to pick what will truly satisfy you, not just what dazzles in the moment. 6. Remember, alcohol is often the stealthiest saboteur. A glass of wine feels elegant, a cocktail feels festive. But these drinks aren't just sugar bombs. They also lower your inhibitions, whispering that it's perfectly fine to grab a 3rd plate of cheesy sliders. Pace yourself. Try alternating each alcoholic drink with a glass of water or sparkling water with lime. You'll still have something to sip and toast with, but your body stays hydrated, your judgment stays clearer, and tomorrow you'll thank yourself. Imagine waking up after a party feeling light, clear-headed, not nursing regret or dehydration. 5. Listen inward, even when the social pull is strong. At gatherings, eating can become a group sport. Friends nudge you to just try it. Relatives push another slice of cake. It's easy to accept out of politeness or shared excitement, even if your stomach's already full. Build the tiny habit of checking in. Pause, place a hand on your belly, ask softly, "Do I really want this? Am I still hungry, or am I just trying to match everyone else?" Respecting that inner voice builds profound trust with yourself. It teaches you that honoring your body's quiet signals matters more than external expectations. 4. Embrace the art of eating slowly and savoring. Social settings practically encourage speed. Bite, chat, laugh, sip, repeat. But slowing down changes everything. Notice the crisp snap of fresh veggies, the silky melt of chocolate mousse, the tangy burst of feta on your tongue. Put your fork down between bites. Truly taste your food. Engage more in the conversation. Let your body's natural fullness signals catch up. You'll often find you're satisfied with far less, and the experience becomes richer, both gastronomically and socially. 3. Enjoy small portions of indulgent favorites without guilt. Deprivation rarely works. If you completely avoid the cheesy lasagna or luscious pie, chances are it'll dominate your thoughts until you cave later in a bigger way. Instead, take a modest slice or a few spoonfuls, plate it beautifully, then savor it without apology. The magic is in fully experiencing it. The texture, the sweetness, the way it feels to be part of the celebration. This way, you honor tradition, pleasure, and health all at once. You leave the event with joy, not resentment or regret. 2. Be kind to yourself the next day. Compassion always wins. Maybe despite your best intentions, you overdo it. It happens. The next morning, resist the urge to punish yourself with an extra hour at the gym or skipping meals. Instead, return to your normal balanced eating. Hydrate? Maybe take a gentle walk and move on. Your body is resilient. It can handle a night of indulgence far better than it can handle days of guilt-driven restriction. With compassion, you build a lifestyle that's sustainable, one where health and enjoyment walk hand in hand. 1. At the heart of it, social events are about connection, not just consumption. When you focus on the laughter, the shared stories, the clinking of glasses under warm lights, food becomes a delightful side note, not the star. You leave nourished in deeper ways, your heart full, your spirit lifted, your body respected. That's the real win. With each event, you learn to navigate this dance of pleasure and wellness more gracefully. You become someone who enjoys life's richness without losing yourself in it, which celebrates fully while still protecting your energy, your goals, and your beautiful sense of balance. And that's the art of navigating social eating. It isn't about rigid rules or missing out. It's about honoring your body, savoring the experience, and keeping sight of what truly matters: connection, laughter, and memories that glow long after the plates are cleared. Over time, these gentle habits turn into quiet confidence, helping you step into every event knowing you can feast with joy and still walk away proud, vibrant, and in charge of your own story. If this gave you a few new tricks to handle your next event with confidence, smash that like button. It's a tiny click that helps this channel reach more amazing people working on their health just like you. I'd love to know, what's the hardest food or situation for you to resist at gatherings? Or what's your personal rule for staying on track? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and your tip might help someone else. And if you're all about finding that balance between living healthy and still living life, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Now go enjoy your next event feeling strong, smart, and guilt-free.